Welcome back to my fabulous cooking show. Susan DeLoach and I have been on hiatus for several months, but we're back with 5 great new Christmas recipes. Please stay tuned. We're going to be posting them in intervals over the next couple of weeks. The first one is today, and I'm making firecrackers. Vince and I host a Christmas party every year, and I always make a little sushi for people to take home with them when they leave our party. And I also like to have some in my purse or in my car that I can give to the person at the post office or at the bank, just spreading a little Christmas cheer. Very, very easy recipe. Let me show you how it's done. In a large bowl, I'm going to put 1 box of Cheez-Its. And to that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, but you want an oil that doesn't have any flavor. 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes. And 1 packet of ranch dressing mix. If you use the container like I do, you'll want to use 2½ tablespoons, which I am also doing. Add this in and give it a good stir. Be sure to coat all of the Cheez-Its with the dressing mix and the crushed red pepper flakes. And you want to coat well so that you don't see any of the white. I have my oven preheated at 250 degrees. And now I'm just going to spread this on a rimmed baking sheet. Spread it out evenly. And pop it in the oven. After 10 minutes, I'm going to give it a toss, put it back in the oven. 10 more minutes, give it another toss, put it back in the oven, and keep doing that for about 30 minutes. If they're not completely dry, do it another 10 minutes until the crackers are crispy and you don't feel any moisture. If they're moist and you try to bag them like this, they're going to go stale really fast. So you can also leave them overnight. If you do these at night, and if I do big batches, I'll turn the oven off and leave them in the oven overnight to make sure they're really crispy and dry, and the next morning when you pull them out, they're good to go. These are delicious, straight out of the oven if you like them warm, but if not, just pack them up in your baggies. I have a pan already made. I did these last night and gave them time to dry, so they are super crispy. Anyway, I think this is a great recipe and it's fun for the holidays. Spread a little Christmas cheer, share them with your friends and your family. Merry Christmas.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.